Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Shopify to integrate brand guidelines into product pages, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section on the left-hand sidebar. From the drop-down, select Themes to access your current theme. Locate the Customize button next to your active theme and click it. This will direct you to the theme editor interface. Now, identify the Product Pages section within the theme editor. Here, you can start to integrate your brand guidelines. Begin by uploading your brand logo to reinforce brand identity. Select the header section to insert or modify your logo. Choose a file that aligns with your brand's visual standards. Next, adjust the color scheme and the theme settings. Pick colors that reflect your brand's palette for consistency. Proceed to the typography settings to select appropriate fonts. Choose fonts that enhance readability and align with your brand's personality. Next, add custom section elements to your product pages. This may include a brand story or mission statement. You can do this by adding a rich text block. Ensure that the language matches your brand's voice. Now, focus on product images. Select images that are in line with your brand's aesthetic. Upload high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Add alt text to your images that aligns with SEO best practices. Next, customize your product descriptions to reflect your brand identity. Use a tone that resonates with your target audience. Consider adding customer reviews or testimonials. This can enhance trust and engagement with your brand. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, preview your changes. Make sure everything aligns with your brand guidelines. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.